On the bright side, we only got that one unit to do that review, so that's pretty good.
Yeah. Hopefully we can get through it fairly quick.
We'll see. Let's hope so.
A lot of them are just kind of identifying the test to run, so hopefully we'll have that down pat, you know.
All the other ones should just have to plug them into the Excel thingy, and it should pop up anyways. So those are tough.
Great.
All right, is everybody ready to have it up?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah. Right. So you guys getting independent for 2?
I was thinking, I don't know how they had it set up, but I had Innova because I thought they were doing different ones. I didn't know if it was United States and Korea or if it was high school, undergraduate, master's, and doctorates. I don't know how they. Maybe you can explain that to me.
Yeah, I think it is Innova. That's true.
Yeah, I agree. This one would be independent sample, right?
I feel it's either independent or paired, but I'm gonna go with independent on it.
Yeah, like that.
This would be 1 proportion, right?
Sample to population.
Because it has like the N and the X, but only one of them.
I'm sorry, which one did you think it was, Austin?
The one test of 1 proportion.
Yeah, that's what I think it is.
Yeah, I think I agree.
So this would be dependent since it's the same. It's the same group of students, right? Or paired, I mean. I'm sorry.
Could be paired. I think it's either paired or test or 2 proportions. I'm not sure though.
Combination logs.
I don't think it's a test of 2 proportions.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to say paired.
Yeah, that's fine.
What about that?
Oh, this has 45 questions. I shouldn't have gone down to look.
I know.
Yeah, it discouraged me as well.
Kind of demoralizing, quite honestly.
Yeah. It's been going fast so far, though.
Okay.
I'm thinking it's paired because they're looking at the difference between the 2.
Okay. Yeah, I remember this was an example for one of the lessons, but I just can't remember which.
Yeah, I agree. I don't remember which one it was either.
Yeah, I think paired makes sense.
I'm thinking independent, but I don't.
I gotta turn my Shark Tank off.
Or,
This shit's
or it could
confusing.
be confidence interval for 2 proportions.
I'm thinking if it's going to be for. Oh, yeah, that is true.
I'm leaning towards confidence interval for 2 proportions
Over.
over independent.
Yeah, let's go. I think it's confidence interval for 2 proportions.
Let's do it. I think in this test we just need to go with our gut and move on and clean up after, you know.
I think you're right.
Would it be paired because it's compared to the single Oreo?
I think so.
Okay.
What's the difference? When would you use a Z? If we go back to the top, when would you use a Z, 1 sample Z test or a 1 sample T test?
So I think it's when you know the. Oh, I think what is it? You know something.
Standard deviation.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is.
When you know the standard deviation of the population, that's for the T score or T test, and then the Z test is when you know the standard deviation of the sample or something. That makes sense.
Yeah. This is A, right? 9.
Yep.
Yeah.
D for 10.
Yeah, I think so.
Would you guys say on 10?
D for 10.
B.
D is in dog.
D is in dog. Okay.
So D for 11 as well, right?
I always get these ones wrong. I don't know.
Yeah.
I know it's not B. But yeah, I think it's because it says true mean. That sounds right.
Okay, so for 12, is this the 1 sample Z test?
I think this is just finding out. What was it? It's called UX bar or something.
Is it X bar?
Yeah, because that's like the that's what it stands for. Is the or maybe that's something different.
I have no idea what to do for this one. Gotta
Is
put them into
this-
something.
Is this the basic one where you're just taking the sample and you're just dividing it by the 0.3? Trying to remember. No, that's not right.
Okay, so the equation I think here. I'm just gonna make sure it's right. Okay, I think it's the square root because we're trying to find is that would it be p hat or is that something different?
All right. You guys there?
Yeah,
Yes, sir. I got booted.
Oh, you're fine.
I'm good.
Where are we at here?
So I think the equation is the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n. And
Sounds familiar.
that's what I got when I searched for it. Let me just
You guys still on 12?
yeah.
Do you guys have the multiple choice stuff in front of you? The answers for it?
Yeah. Well, no, not I don't right now. I'm looking for the equations.
Okay, so I'm getting 0.046.
.046 for 12.
Yeah. I think that was just p hat.
And that was the equation you did, right? The square root of something over n or something.
Yeah, that's like the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n.
Okay.
Which would make sense since those are the only two variables that they give us.
Yeah, it does.
Sweet. Let's roll with it.
Okay, so if you need these, 2 is ANOVA, 3 is independent, 4 is tested in proportion, 5 paired samples t-test, 6 paired samples, 7 confidence interval for 2 proportions, 8 is paired samples. 9 is A. 10 is D. 11 is D.
So okay, so I'm getting for the standard deviation is 0.005. That's the square root of
P times 1 minus P over N.
you got it.
Okay.
That's what you're getting for 13.
Yeah.
Because that's not one of the multiple choice answers.
What do you mean?
Well, I printed out the review, and it has multiple choice on all the answers.
Mm.
Are we good so far?
Um,
And I guess all
Well,
of them have only been multiple choice. So.
the numbers are off here by one, but make sure the numbers are correct. Like on 13, or excuse me, on 12, it says the answer would be either 30, 70, 0.7, or 0.3, or 0.30, or 0.70.
And it's the same question?
Let's see here. You take a simple random sample of 100 adults from a town in western United States, determine the proportion of adults in the town. Yeah, it looks like the exact same thing, and I think it says that in the thing that the exact review here, the exact quiz questions in here. I'm pretty sure, but
Yeah, it did say something like that, I think.
I mean, we just keep going through it and then see where it goes.
If we get them wrong, we can just come back and figure it out. We have another 35 questions to go, so.
Yeah, that's probably best just to go through them. And
Yeah, because I'm getting the same thing as he did.
I say we just trust it and go with it. Trust the process, man. Thanks for getting that.
okay, so what did you have for 13 then? 0.0.
0.05.
Okay. And then 12 was the 0.046.
Yeah.
Because 0.046 shows up as a multiple choice answer on 13.
Maybe it switched. Could it have switched the two questions? Because they're pretty similar, standard deviation and the mean of the distribution.
Yeah, let me look here. What is the mean of the distribution of sample proportions? No, it doesn't look like it. They're all off by one number because of that very first question on the quiz. The standard deviation.
Mean of P hat equals P.
Well, we'll just keep going through it.
If the mean of P hat equals P, wouldn't 12 just be 0.3? Is that an option on the multiple choice?
0.30 is on number 12.
Which would be P.
Let's go with that.
Okay. And then 13, the standard deviation. That would be... The standard deviation should be 0.046.
And that's an answer on the multiple choice.
So how do we do number 14 here?
I'm lost. I don't know.
So I know it's something with the probability applet, right?
Yeah.
Well, if we have the
Which
Okay,
one of
so
those multiple choices?
I think it's 0.3 minus. So I think the top of the thing. Okay. I think that it is 0.05 divided by 0.046, which is 1.087. Should be the z-score.
Okay.
Okay, and it's what are the chances it's less than
less than 25.
Okay, so it's just the left side, I would think, and it's 0.139. If that's enough.
There's a 0.138.
Let's
Okay,
put
well,
that.
then I didn't round it. It says 0.1385. So
Okay, so what was the z-score you ended up getting?
the z-score was 1.087.
And for that, you just took the.
Just
How'd you get the?
0.3 minus 0.25, and then over the standard deviation.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, you guys getting 0.029 for the margin of error.
So what numbers did you plug in here?
So for
X1 would
and let me
be
make sure I have this right here. So the first group is the people who were actually taking it, and the second ones they weren't, right?
yes. Yeah. So
Okay, so for group 1, so I put X1 as 61 and N1 as 1563.
Okay.
And for the second group, X2 15, N2 1563.
okay. Shouldn't N2 be 579?
I think we're just accounting for the dizziness. So I think it's just whoever got dizzy. So I think it's just the 61 and 15.
Hold on, say that again.
So I think we're controlling for dizziness instead of who's in the control group versus the real group.
Yeah.
So 61 people experienced dizziness who were on it, and 15 experienced dizziness who were not on it.
But there were only 579 not on it.
Oh, you're right. True.
Are you getting 0.016?
I'm getting 0.013.
95. Oh. Did you just put them as not equal, or what did you set the thing as?
Yeah, it's not equal.
Okay.
Do you have 61, 1563, 15, 579?
You put 15,579. Yeah, I do.
Hmm.
And is your confidence interval, what is it?
Negative 0.003 and 0.029.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Yeah,
What'd you guys get for 15?
I got 0.016.
That's
And
what I
I'm
got.
getting, okay, let's go with that.
I think what you did is you didn't add the negative because
That is right, yeah.
okay, negative 0.003, 0.029.
And 16 is negative 0.003, 0.029. I just repeat exactly what Zach said. We are on 18. All right.
Okay, so this one's A, right?
I think so.
Yeah. Roll with it.
And then 1.458.
Yeah.
Yep.
For 145.
Looks correct to me.
And 21's the last one.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, so 22, you guys getting 6.579.
That's what I'm getting.
Yeah.
Man, you're quick with that, typing in those numbers.
Yeah,
Well, I typed them. I went over all this earlier, so I already had them typed in.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, I was trying to make some sense of stuff.
0.087 for 23.
Yeah.
Round it.
And then no, the p-value is greater than 0.05.
Greater.
Yeah.
Okay, well, what was that? Oh, you guys are on 24.
Correct. We got D as in donkey.
P-value is greater. Yep. Okay.
Is it B for 25?
It's either B or D.
I can't remember which one the null was.
The null was D.
I think it's D.
I think
D?
it's D.
Okay, great.
That's what you're testing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys, we just passed halfway.
Yeah.
Oh man.
What in the world?
Oops. I don't know what my tooth is.
You guys getting 0.190 for the lower?
I'm getting
Yeah, I got, yeah.
0.310.
You did 50 and 200.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I'm nuts.
What are you guys getting for this? Are you guys getting 79?
I don't know. I can't find the equation.
I'm still trying to look up the equation.
The equation is in lesson 17.
Yeah, I remember seeing it, just can't remember what it is.
Oh, that's for the margin of error. Whoops. I did that wrong.
Yeah, I'm looking at the that section, the sample size calculations.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just not seeing which one applies here.
It's the n equals whatever.
The first one?
Oh, so it'd be the second one because we have P star.
Okay.
2 margin of error, 2. Okay.
Oh, okay. So,
Is your Z saying negative 13.887?
So are you getting 1537?
That is one of the answers.
What's your value for Z?
Um,
It's got to be 1.96, right? If it's a 95% confidence level.
1.691. That's what I'm getting. But that doesn't really.
Oh, I'm
You don't
taking.
really need to have it. All you need is the critical value based off of the confidence interval, the desired margin of error, and prior estimate.
Wait, so did you use the top or the bottom Z or N equals whatever? You used the top one, right?
I actually found that I had like already programmed the equation into Excel, so I just put the numbers in. I basically have so I have the critical value divided by the desired margin of error raised to the second power times the prior estimate times 1 minus the prior estimate.
Yeah. So wait, what did you get for the critical value then? The Z.
1.96 since it's 95%, right?
Yes, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so what'd you get?
1537.
I'm cool with that. You rounded it up already.
Yeah.
So. Is this C? Oh no, it's the second to last one. E.
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, I'm sorry. What'd you guys get on 28?
1537.
Okay, thank you.
And then are you getting A for 30?
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Okay. The value of your test. What does that mean?
6.579. No, that's not the right test. Never mind.
I got 1.691.
From what question is this?
I think it's still from that one question.
Are you just on the one sample Z test for a proportion?
I went to my own sheet for that. So if there's something different on that one, let's go with that one.
So I'm getting negative 13.87.
Yeah, but that's a super high number.
On the
this is just the Z, isn't it?
yeah, just
So shouldn't it
1.7.
be 1.768?
Yeah, let's go with that.
Zach, what are you getting?
I'm seeing the same thing you are, negative 13.887.
That's what I have on mine.
I'm getting 1.768 on mine.
Is it? But that's on your own sheet.
No, that's on. Well, it's on both.
Okay, so you have X is 50 and N is 200.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I have a. And we're doing not equal to?
Oh, I don't know. I had it on.
Greater than? What are we doing for this
That
test?
doesn't change the Z-score, though.
Yeah, it doesn't change the Z-score.
Yeah, true. Yeah, I don't know. That's
Well, the multiple choice on here says 1.768, 0.039, 1.923, or 0.077.
Okay.
And
What?
0.077 is a p-value, not the test statistic.
Yeah, you're right. You have to change the. Make sure we're changing the null hypothesis. I changed mine from 0.7 to 0.2, and it altered it to my z-score to 1.768.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I did too.
And are we doing what type of test is this? Is it not equal to, or is it greater? Because that will change the p-value.
That will. So let's look back at our hypothesis, what we put down.
Well, I think it's greater
Scroll
than,
all the way up there.
greater than, right?
Yeah, I think so.
The 0.039.
Yeah.
Sweet.
You guys just get an A for the next one?
Yeah.
A.
Yeah.
Like carry the whole book on this.
I was about to say I'm not gonna read this.
What's the sacrifice?
Oh, this is one of the questions we've had though. Kinda. Is this just a one sample t-test?
That's what it looks like. To me.
There, it also might be like a trick question. Because it has all the requirements of the one proportion.
But it's giving you like a ton of numbers.
Yeah.
I think you'd have to put those numbers in somewhere, right?
Yeah, it's gotta be. In this. Is somebody echoing over there? Or is that just me?
No, I'm echoing too.
Yeah, I think we all are.
Weird.
Okay, so if it's the one sample t-test, I got 0.282.
That's what I got.
Okay. And then 0.293.
Yeah.
Okay, 99.
Yep.
Negative 2.803 and 0.006.
What's that on the test?
What's that?
That's what you got on the test?
No, the test statistic I got
37.
negative 2.803. And then 0.006 for the p-value. And then 39, I'm getting A.
What was the
What
last?
was the last question?
Yep. We're almost there. Hopefully.
Can somebody give me
Can
what
somebody
you
give
got
me
on
what you got on
38 again?
38 again?
On which one?
On which one?
38.
38.
I got
I got
0.006.
0.006.
I have one on
I have
mine.
one on mine.
You did the one sample t-test?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you change the null hypothesis to 0.295
Yeah.
Yeah.
and not equal to?
Mm-hmm.
That's
Can you
solved
repeat
it.
Control 0.0.
And your p-values is 1?
Yeah, I don't know what's
Yeah, I don't know
coming.
what's coming this week.
But did you get the same things for the t and the lower and upper bounds?
My
My
lower and upper
upper
bound
bound
0.290 and then 0.300.
300.
Okay, so mine say 0.282 and 0.293.
And then for
And then for
your
your
99,
right?
Yeah.
and your
And your
test
test assessment?
Negative 2.803.
All right, thank
All
you.
right, thank you.
Were you doing the t-test or the z?
One
One
sample
sample
test.
test.
Why are our numbers different?
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
Maybe I put them in
Maybe I
wrong.
put them in wrong.
I don't know, maybe I did. That's weird. Okay. Okay, so 40. 8.728. Is that what you guys are getting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
10.45. Oh, okay, where is everyone?
42.
42.
Okay. So I got 22.446. 43, I got 40. 44, I have 0.000. Is that what you guys have?
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah,
getting.
that's what I'm getting.
Okay. And then 45 is C.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Cool.
All right, sorry.
All right,
You
sorry.
guys go back over a couple of those.
Couple of those might
Cell
might
lock
cell
up.
lock.
On 41,
41.
Yeah, that's 10.455.
42,
42.
22.446.
and 43,
3.
40.
and then 44.
44.
0.000 and 45 is C.
Give me 44.
44 point.
0, 0, 0.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks.
Yep. Does someone want to go ahead with it, or I can? Where is everyone? Is everyone done? I don't.
I can do it.
I can do it.
Okay.
Oh,
I don't like to hear
I don't
that.
like to hear that.
I'm into that one. We'll find out.
We'll find out later.
Solid 37
Solid
out of
37 out of
43.
43.
Shoot.
So we missed 37.
37.
Yeah, no, we got 37 right.
37 right.
I would quit.
I would quit.
I wouldn't do it
I wouldn't
anymore
do
if
it
that was the
anymore
case.
if that was the case.
Because I'm going to exit out and come back
exit out
in
and
because
come back
there's
in.
so much echo.
I can't hear you.
Go ahead.
All right, 11,
11,
10, 9,
10, 9, 8,
3,
3, 2.
That's all.
11,
That's all
10,
of
9,
them?
8, 3, 2.
Yeah, we just weren't
Yeah, we
feeling
just
it.
weren't feeling it at first.
Okay.
That's right, correct?
That's right.
33 37 out of
37 out of
Yeah.
43. That's
43. That's 6 points.
That's six,
That's 6, I think.
Yeah, that was 6.
So what ones did we miss?
What ones did we miss?
2, 3, 8, 9,
8.
10, 11.
Two, 3, and 8.
2, 3, and 8.
We missed.
We missed,
2, 3,
2,
8,
3, 8,
9, 10, 11.
9, 10, 11.
So we originally
So
put
we originally
Nova.
put Nova.
I think 2 might be just a paired samples t-test because it's saying it's independent of the country. So they're comparing the 2 countries, I think. Well,
Okay.
Well, yeah, a Nova would. If it's not a Nova, that's what I would think it is.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Independent?
Independent?
I think it's
Oh, I'm sorry.
paired.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't know. It could be independent, maybe.
I
I didn't hear what you said.
Do the results,
The results
and on the other.
on the other.
Yeah, it might be
Yeah,
independent.
it might be
for this
independent for this one.
Well, the what they choose on the one will determine what they choose for the other, right?
Yeah, everybody in my group
Everybody
just
in my group just said,
howdy.
howdy.
It echoed like
It
twice.
echoed like twice.
Okay.
Okay.
They're listening to this whole conversation.
Hold on.
Okay, I think 3 is test of 2 proportions. Maybe.
Let's go with
Let's
that.
go with it.
Okay, and then 2. Why do you think what makes it independent? Do you think? I never
I
did
don't
do
I
that,
don't
so.
know.
I think for
I think
it
for
to be
it to be
dependent, it has
dependent,
to
it has
be
to be
like the
like
answer.
the
The
answer,
result
the
has to
result
be on the other.
the other.
Like it would have to be
Like
the
it would have to
same
be the same
sample.
sample,
Mm-hmm.
or I don't know.
Okay, and then 3, do you guys think it's test of two proportions, or what are your opinions on that?
You've been playing out
You been playing out of line?
I don't have a better
I don't
ring.
have a better ring. I'm sorry, what did you get for 3?
I think it's test of two proportions, but I'm not sure.
What did we put last
What
time?
did we put last time?
Independent, I believe.
Well, it ain't gonna be A,
Well, it ain't gonna be A,
B,
B,
Nova,
Nova,
or
or
try.
Let's roll
with
with it.
So it's either paired or test of two proportions. But okay, so 8 has to be independent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's have it.
How do we get all these
How
ones
did we get all these
wrong?
ones
I thought
wrong?
these were
I thought these were for
correct.
sure correct.
I know. I thought 9 was for sure correct.
And still looking at it, I don't know
I don't know what it could be.
What did we put last
What did
time?
we put last time?
A.
Well, the significance,
level
has something to do with the type 1 or type 2 error.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. The probability of a type 1 error.
Type 1
Type
is
1 is
The probability of rejecting the null. I guess it's the probability of rejecting the null, right? Well, yeah, whether it's true or not, I guess that would probably be it.
so C.
so C.
I think so.
That would
Okay.
make
That
sense.
would make sense.
Because that would include rejecting it correctly, or because of the because it's a lower, if it's a lower significance, then
So then the
So then
p-value is
the
gotta
p-value is
be
going to
C
be C
for
for
10.
10.
yeah, I think that is
Set 'em
right.
switched.
Set them switched.
And then A
And then
for
A for
11 maybe?
11 maybe?
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah, I think so. That would have been my
I'm
guess.
just guessing
I'm just
at
guessing
this point
at this point with
that question.
that question.
Yeah, that would have been my guess too. I never, those ones I always get wrong, man.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too.
Very
Okay,
I
well,
say it's simple, but
I can turn this one in if you guys want.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then we can read them all over once we. We missed one. I saw it. Oh, we missed 4.
Oh, give me.
Okay, so 2 is wrong. 3 is now right. 8 is wrong. 9 is wrong.
Oh.
11 is wrong.
All right. Which do we start with?
And yeah, that's it. Okay.
Okay, you said 2 is wrong.
Yeah, I think so. I just left it to open up the new one. I guess I shouldn't. Did you guys keep track of all the ones I said?
2, 8, 9,
2, 8,
and 11.
9, and 11.
Okay.
Okay.
And what do we have?
What do we have for 2?
Independent.
Independent.
Okay.
We had Nova
We had Nova
before.
before.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go paired.
Yeah, it has to be. Unless it's a test of 2 proportions, but I don't think so.
Then what was the next
Then what
one?
was the next one?
Did we ever
8.
put the chi squared or whatever on number 2?
Ooh, that actually might be a good one for number 2.
Oh,
yeah,
that's probably
it.
because
Because
there's
all the different grades.
Yeah, that's probably it.
it.
Okay. And then 8, 9, and 11 were the other ones?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. And it's not independent, and it's not. What do we know that it's not?
Freaky. You forgot?
You forgot?
Anyone know?
I want to say like a one sample.
sample.
I guess it could be, yeah.
Because you technically only
have one sample, right?
Because you don't have a
Because you don't have a sample of the
little stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so would it be a one sample T?
I'm cool with that.
Okay, so did you say T or Z?
Did you say T or Z?
I said T, but I don't really know.
So we got one more shot.
We got one more shot. You just want to go for it?
I guess 2.
Okay, we got 9 wrong.
Okay, so 9 is the probability of committing a type 1 error. I just looked it up.
Okay.
I believe if what I just read and understand is right. And then 11.
11 is wrong.
Okay,
Oh,
so my next guess for this one.
Has to be B, right?
I was thinking C.
C.
I thought it was B. I don't even know this point.
I'm fine with either.
Suppose you create a 95% constant.
Either way, we're getting it right.
Yeah.
Between 10 and 20.
No, somebody just choose and click it.
I would say that it's B based on the question that it's asking, but
That's fine. We'll go B.
Okay.
So I can go ahead and submit it here.
A 100%, guys.
nice.
Hold my breath.
Okay, do you guys want to read these two?
That'd be great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's so many.
So just exit out. Yeah, that wouldn't be good.
Okay, for 2, it is chi squared. For 3, test of superposition. For 4, test of one proportion. For 5, paired sample t-test. For 6, paired sample t-confidence interval. For 7, interval for 2 proportion. For 8, one sample t-confidence interval. For 9, B. For 10, C. For 11, B.
12.
For 12,
0.30. For 13.
0.046.
0.046. For 14.
0.139.
For
15, 0.016.
For
For 16,
negative
-0.003.
0.003. For
For 17,
0.029.
0.029.
18 is A. 19 is 1.458.
Sorry, what was that one?
19 is 1.458.
Thank you.
For
For
20
20,
is
it is
0.145.
0.145.
21
21
is
is
the last one.
No,
No,
it's reject.
no. 22
22
is
is
6.578. 23
23
is
is
0.087.
0.087.
23 is
0.087.
24 is no. The p-value is greater than 0.05.
25 is D. 26 is 1.90. 27 is 0.310.
28 is
28 is
1,537.
1,537.
29
29
is second to last.
Second to last.
30 is A.
30 is A.
31 is
31 is
1.768.
1.768.
32 is
32 is
0.039.
0.039.
33 is
33 is A.
34
34 is
0.280.
0.280.
35
35
is
is
0.293.
0.293.
Wait, hold on. For 34, you got 0.280.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Well, that's weird.
Yeah,
Yeah,
0.2.
0.282 is what I have too.
But 0 to 2
0
is
to 280.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know.
Jared, would you like to
submit yours
34 would be?
34 would be?
What's that?
What's that?
Oh,
Wait, but
I just asked you if you could submit it, and then we can see what 34 is. But don't feel obligated to.
so you put 0.280 and it was right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
all right.
It might just be within a range.
Oh yeah, it could be. I guess.
Sounds good.
Yeah, we'll have them submit that.
Or do you think you put 0.282 and now it just says 0.280?
I'm not sure.
Because I've noticed on some of them, like if you put a 0 as the third decimal place, it'll take it off and stuff like that.
Huh.
So I wonder if.
Huh.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
could be. If all of
If all of you have
that's
that, it's
probably the right answer.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, that's just. I still have the thing pulled up. That's how I saw it, but. Okay. Let's just keep going then.
Okay.
So 35 is 0.293. 36 is 99. 37 is negative
.803.
Can you say that one again?
Yeah, it's 37 is negative 2.803.
Okay.
38 is 0.006. 39 is A. 40 is 8.728.
41 is 10.455. 42 is 22.446.
I'm sorry, could you say 21? 41, please?
Which one did you want?
41 and 42.
Okay, so 41
41
is 10.455. 42 is 22.446.
Thank you.
43 is 40.
43 is 40.
44 is
0.000.
45 is C.
45 is C.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll submit. Yeah, the